Hello?
Yo. Are you up at the villa right now?
Yes, I'm at my villa. What's up?
Do you have a beer by any chance that you could bring me?
I'm dying over here, man.
I'm not sure about bring you, but I have a beer that I'm currently drinking.
Well, can you just come bring me one, man?
Do you want to just come up here and get it?
I'm downhill from you. Just bring it to me, please. Look, it's a lot harder for me to go up there than for you to come.
All right. You know what? I think I got an idea. Hang tight. Beer is coming your way shortly.
Ah, yes. Oh, that is so good.
Looks like Parker got his beer. Oh my god, the joys of technology and laziness. That's how the best advancements in humanity happen. Laziness and beer.
Coffee ready.
Ding dong, ding ding. I just want to say, you guys.
Okay, the decision has been made. Single fins is the plan for today.
Oh god, that's fucking awesome.
Woo! Single fins, that's the plan. How do you feel about this?
Totally fine with that.
Yes! Do some surfing. Play some spike ball. Have a drink. Maybe a highball. Listen to the DJ. Then we can play. Find some friends and ladies and have a good Sunday. And we gonna hang out with the boys in the sunshine. Get nice and tan, bronze skin, have a good time. And I don't know what will happen, maybe we will call a cab. Cause we cannot scooter when we drunk. Man, that is bad. I don't know what is going on anymore. We listening to Drake in the morning? You can't listen to the shit unless you got it on repeat. Woo! If you cannot drink that beer, you're not a real Canadian, mate.
We got a thumbnail for Bali. What happened? Many followers.
Oh, success.
I don't have the utensils.
When you are hot.
You would think they see
to
what
the
you're buying.
freezer.
It's not. It's just hot here.
What about this?
But here?
Yes. Let's see, how do you keep refreshed? Oh my god, that is a brilliant idea.
So, day 3 in Bali, and we have already gotten ourselves into this situation. It was mainly the impact that's hurting the most, I suppose. A couple scrapes on the elbow, on the hip and everything. So Blake and I decided that we were gonna go get massages, and without looking for reviews or anything, we just drove down the road to go find a place. And the first place we went to, let's just say, didn't meet quite the standards of even the grimiest of Bali massage parlors. So halfway through the massage, I just kind of had to call it off. It was way too claustrophobic and very, very loud. On our way to the second massage parlor, we just passed it and we were on the highway and we were trying to do a quick turnaround. Blake goes to try to do a quick, I can't even, it's so bad.
From my perspective, I didn't think we were going fast.
And we crashed. Yeah, we toppled over. The impact of being crushed by the bike definitely hurt. Blake had more of an ankle injury. Dr. Josh is on the case. Oh,
Does it actually hurt bad?
It stings.
That
I've actually never seen a doctor with a leopard print.
That's right.
Are you like qualified at all?
What is this? Is this like soy sauce or whatever? Jeez, it's still leaking, bro.
So focused.
Yeah, wow.
I'm a doctor.
Yeah, I'm a doctor, man. I'm a doctor of leopard shirt. I don't hate this shirt because my parents bought it for me for this trip. And I look like Zoolander over here. This looks like, you know, me after nasi goreng.
Gross.
Acceptance? Acceptance?
Start or what?
He just gave you the death glare. Where are we right now?
We have finally arrived to Single Fin. It happens to be Sunday, pretty early afternoon. This is the place to be. We got at least 3 levels of bars in this place and a very gorgeous seaside view. Why don't we come take a look, shall we?
Quite bleakly, we're in a fancy establishment and we're not used to staying at these kind of places where the beverages are North American prices. To pay for the beverages, we are going to hustle, try to sell some advertising space on Instagram to cover our bill here. And we are not gonna order another round of drinks until the boys have slung ads to pay for the entire bill.
The boys.
You'll hear back once an ad has been sold. Period.
Get that cha-ching.
It's 220 bucks American.
Simple as that. It's as simple as that.
Drinks on justice. Bartender. Guys, I just want to tell you the sincere honesty of what just happened. Kenzo, Justice, Leo, Parker, all of these guys run social media brands. They have the ability to make money whenever they want, and that's the reality of what it is. We are making light of this entire situation, but I want to make it real for you. When you have a brand online, you can make money in a million different ways. And we teach this in depth in the Jet Setter Boss course. But what you need to know is this. It's valuable. Building an audience online has a worth, a value. And if you learn how to do it and you learn how to scale that stuff, you can do this as a lifestyle. You can hang out here in Bali. You can live, you know, in luxury. You can live in complete luxury and freedom with all your friends and family if you want.
We are now going to go all the way up there. It's getting so dark. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Holy shit. Josh, get the f out of the shot.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
bike somewhere there and play the game and be high on life, bro, okay? It's you. This guy knows what's up. Enjoy the content, please be high on life, always. And also click the link for testchatterboss.com.